Hey everyone, it's Audrey here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is where I share hairstyles and hair tutorials every single day on my daughter Victoria and also on myself too, although you would never know it by looking at my hair today. So make sure you subscribe to check them out. I'm all about the easy, the doable, the practical for any kind of hair level that you're at. Today we're talking a pretty ponytail hairstyle. I love this one. You get this one if you're running short on time in the morning, you just need to get a fast one, but it's so pretty. Every time Victoria wears this one, we are always stopped and asked how I did this one. So I love it for that reason too. So make sure you check it out. You're gonna love this easy ponytail hairstyle. It's such a pretty ponytail hairstyle too. So this is how you do it. You're gonna start with dividing the hair into 3 sections. You're gonna have a thicker section in the back, which is gonna be your ponytail. This is the base. And you're gonna have 2 sections on each side. And make sure these sections are also equal in terms of how much hair you're using. So take one side, smooth it down with a brush, and you're just gonna cross it over the base of the ponytail. Now what I do right here is I have Victoria just help me out by holding the ponytail on top, and I just take a bobby pin, you could take a clip, you could take whatever you want, and I just hold it into place. Now this is not going to be how it's kept, it's just holding it into place so I can grab the other section and make sure that I smooth it out enough with my brush and make sure that when I'm crossing it over, it's exactly how I want it to be. So I have her let go of the ponytail, I cross that other section right on over, and then again, I'm using Victoria's help again, I have her hold that ponytail hairstyle, and this is when I take out that bobby pin and just bring these 2 sections together. I just use a clear elastic. I'll pop in the description below too what kind of hair elastics that we love using. There's so many out there, but these ones are just so great and they don't damage the hair. And then I'm just going to add the elastic band right in. Again, super easy, making sure that I'm just bringing those 2 sections together. And once it's in nice and secure, I always make sure that I just go back and I just tighten it up. So I know that those 2 sections on the side are not going to fall. I have Victoria let go of that ponytail, and just right there, you've really just changed up your basic ponytail to this pretty crossover pony. I love this one. Again, this could be worn to school, to camp, everyday style. I love giving her a kiss at the end, but I want to show you how you can take this basic style here, this really pretty pony, and you can just by simply adding a 3-strand braid down the tail, you turn it into just another hairstyle. And that's what I love to do, is take really easy styles and make them work for your lifestyle. So I'm just doing a basic 3-strand braid here. I'm going to go all the way down. And again, I just grab another hair elastic and I just band the bottom just to make sure it's nice and secure. And again, you have this pretty ponytail, but you also have another hairstyle that you could do as well. So I think they both come out really pretty. Here's what the final product looks like. You have still that pretty crossover on top with that 3-strand braid. Thanks so much for watching. If you tried this, make sure you let me know. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post new hairstyles and hair tutorials every single day. We love, love, love making people smile.